Okay, so YouTube user Cadence Vaxenmore, excuse me, asked me to do a video of this Hoover Industrial Upright. So again, a really good request because I've never talked about this one before. I got it on OfferUp when I was in high school. Oh, jeez. It's had to have been 3 or 4 years ago now. I was in high school, so I think I was 18, maybe closer to 19, I don't remember. It was inexpensive. I think it was a little less than 30 bucks. Had a dirt cup bag, and, I hate dirt cup bags, so to the trash went the dirt cup bag, and off of eBay came this outer bag. A new cord on it, too, because the old cord was bad. It doesn't have a bag, so I'm just borrowing the bag from one of my wind tunnels temporarily so I can do this video and get it over with. There's not really much to say about it. I'll show the underside before I forget. C1609, a 4.8 amp motor. Hoover Company, North Canton, Ohio, made in the USA. Don't get them like that. They don't make them like that anymore, sadly. So, on that aside, here we go. Oh, there's that one. I don't remember it sounded like that, but again, I'm terrible at keeping track of what machines have been run and which ones haven't been and what needs to be done to what. So, again, like, comment, subscribe, and tell me what you want to see. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.